Hi everyone. Now we going to prosecutor office. We want to ask about our problem, but because already February 4, it's already 1 month document in office. We just finish talking with prosecutor, and prosecutor said already investigated. And Shaira, explain first.
Not focus to me, okay?
Shaira,
So,
please.
the prosecutor said that they will gonna take some maybe 2 to 3 months so that they can take some resolution, but they need to approve it first from police and from the higher. And after that, they will give us some summon already. And after that, after summon, we will gonna meet for 2 to 3 times, and then if the police na what is this Korean not go for 3 times, they will gonna give us warrant of arrest for the guy.
So it's about 2-3 months. I ask why so long time.
Because
Wait.
there's so many cases right now.
Yeah, so many cases right now. Even people who have also foreigner, also who have problem fighting in the bar. I see really have so many who fighting in the bar. That's why, guys, I don't know, not need so asking us about why so long time. We don't know why so long time. It's Philippines, always long time, because so many cases.
So many cases here in the Philippines. That's why it's you need to wait only. Yes, it's long time, but they can do their you can receive the justice here because you live here and you know that you not do something wrong here. So they will. It depend on the Korean only if she want to do some good here. But it's okay. I want to be relaxed right now. I want to eat.
Yes, you can watch in another video from Landers, because we near Landers. And
Because last night I've been in, I don't know what name of that in Balibago before. It's Paddy's, but right now it's new. It's Chinese also.
Chinese.
Yes.
If Chinese, I can talk with boss, Chinese boss in Chinese
But
language.
But I not seen the owner.
Okay.
Most of the workers are Filipino and the managers are Filipino. But it's good.
Okay,
policy.
another video about your party.
Yes.
Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you understand. Need wait only 2-3 months resolution from prosecutor.